Hey my beautiful people, my name is Marissa and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this cool Princess Tiana look. So if you guys want to be that sweet southern princess from The Princess and the Frog, keep on watching. In case you're new to my channel, my name is Marissa and I make videos about all things beauty, so if beauty is your thing, please consider subscribing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, it really helps me out guys. Thank you so much for watching and let's get into it. So the video is coming to an end. Thank you guys so much for watching again. If you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. If you noticed, I did something a little bit different this time. Instead of your traditional voiceover, I kind of just showed you what I was doing, and I was kind of creative with the editing style. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys liked it. Do you guys prefer a traditional voiceover, or was this one okay? And you can't be Princess Tiana without kissing a frog, so if you want to find out what happens, be sure to watch the next video.